How to deposit money in Binance using debit card. Let's get started. First up, launch your Binance app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option of portfolio. Once you're in this page, now you'll see the option of deposit and buy crypto over here. Click on the option of deposit. Now choose currency, crypto or fiat. Now click on this icon, you're gonna find the list of the currency. Again, you can select it. Then click on continue. In order to deposit money and start trading, make sure you have fulfilled these requirements. Enable SMS authentication and complete identity verification. After you complete this process, you will be able to go through the process to deposit the money. At the moment, I haven't completed those requirements, so I won't be able to deposit money. Once you complete those requirements, you can easily deposit the money in Binance using debit card. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.